All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing a trade recap. The green streak is officially over. I actually haven't paid attention to the fact that I've been basically green for like a month. I tell people this over and over and over again. You trade well, profits will follow. Nobody goes broke taking profits. Always adjust that stop loss. So no matter what, you're getting out of trade for break even or some sort of profit. Well, today was actually very, very frustrating. The trade, the setups were solid. The signals were solid. She just didn't do exactly what we wanted to do. So today took a $10,000 loss. It's all right. We'll come back tomorrow, make it back. I've been basically reducing my position size. Like I said, losses are part of the game, guys. If you're not willing to accept losses, then this is not the right career for you. But let's take a look at the chart here. I mean, first off, there's US 30 and NAS 100. We were watching both of those this morning. News came out where it actually caused not only US 30 but NAS 100. Both of these just dropped hard. I mean, they just dropped like a rock. So when they basically have this big drop, right? When they have this big drop, not only the 15-minute candle, but another 15-minute candle, another 15-minute candle. There's absolutely no way us as traders we should be chasing this, right? There's no way we should look to sell this. It is very, very risky. Granted, once or twice we'll get lucky, but overall, that's just not a good trade, not a good setup. So in this case, we were looking to buy this, right? So as always, I put out both signals here, US 30, NAS 100, right here in the private VIP Telegram group, as well as a chart, so my members visually have an understanding of what is going on. Now, again, we include the take profits and the stop loss. So, looking at the chart here, you can see it on NAS 100 what we basically wanted this one to do. We wanted this one to have a nice little push back to the upside because we've seen this trade multiple times where she does push back up. Same thing with US 30. US 30 is the one I took the loss on. I got filled. But again, we've seen this multiple times where we basically hold this support area and get a nice little push back to the upside, back to the highs. Unfortunately, US 30, NAS 100 NAS 100 did make that move. US 30 did it, and that's where we basically took the loss. So, again, it's part of the game. Losses happen. You just have to basically know when to basically just stop trading on the day and come back tomorrow. The very last thing you want to do, guys, is revenge trade. That will absolutely hurt and crush you. But that's it for this YouTube video, guys. Short, simple, and sweet. Right to the point. I like to keep these videos less than 5 minutes. I mean, we're past the days of people, having the time to, watch long YouTube videos. I get it. People have a busy life, busy schedule, so people just want to tune in for a 2, 3, 4, 5-minute video just to understand where my head was at the trade. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We did have a massive sell-off today. It's because basically news. So tomorrow, with it being Wednesday, I'm actually going to watch this one. Depending what the market does with US 30 and NAS 100, I'm actually going to watch for it to be more bullish. Ideally, I'd like to see US 30 and NAS 100 basically push up back towards the highs is where I want to see it go. So as always, we'll see what the market gives us. Tomorrow the market could just look really, really bearish, and then obviously that's going to change our mindset to look to sell it and make profit on the way down. But as always, guys, this is my private VIP Telegram group. If this is something you're ever interested in joining, the link is going to be below this YouTube video. But the very first link below this YouTube video is the same broker that I use that is going to be offering the copy trading through TradeLocker. So you want to click that link, sign up with the same broker as me, because that way your account will be linked to my account, right? So any trades I make in the future, it'll automatically make those same trades for you. So you personally never have to hit the buy or sell button, close the trade, stop loss, take profits. I basically manage and do all of that with the copy trading because it just basically replicates my entire trading platform account onto your account. But again, that's only going to work for those that are using the same link below this YouTube video for the same broker as me. But that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.